Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we write a program in Python using a function to calculate sum of two numbers. So first, I will write here a function to add two numbers. So I will write def add numbers a and b, and this will return a plus b. So this is a function to add two numbers in Python. Using this, we can calculate that. So after this, you have to input the numbers. So we will write here taking input from user. So I will declare here two variable names in which I will take input of two numbers in float. So num1 equals to float input enter first number, and num2 equals to float input enter second number. So in num1 and num2 we have two numbers which is given by user, and after this we will calculate the result. So I will write here calling the function and displaying result. So I will declare here a variable named result in which I will call that function with the arguments num1 and num2, and then I will print it. So print the sum is this. So this is a program which will write sum of two numbers using function. So let me run, and then I will explain you again. So let's see. So here I have to enter the first number, let us say 12, and the second number, let us say 65. So here you can see the sum is 77. So this is how you can write a program in Python to calculate sum of two numbers using function. So let's see how this function is working. So first I have declared here a function called add numbers. So a keyword called def, which is used to declare function in Python, and then here a function name which is add numbers, and here are two parameters which are a and b, and this function is returning a plus b, means sum of those two numbers. And after this we are taking input of two numbers in variable names num1 and num2, and after that we are giving that numbers to that function as an argument. So I have written here result, which is a variable name which is storing the value. So I have called the function with the argument num1 and num2, and then print that result here. So this is how this program is running. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and you can also check out the description for the resources. Thanks for watching.